Nathan, at its core, we want to celebrate and showcase stories that aren't often told here and to celebrate different forms of love. I mean, it's so common to celebrate romantic love, but itong love between friends, like friendship like this is something that Filipinos can relate to. And yeah, yun, I guess it's nice to bring more international films also here for the Filipinos to see.
Rhea, kailan ipapalabas ito at anong rating ng MTRCB dito?
Bukas na po. This is PG. Rated. Sorry, I wanna confirm. I don't wanna make a mistake. This is showing na po tomorrow. Sana you enjoy it and you relate to it and you're able to invite other people to watch it with you starting tomorrow po. Thank you again. Love.
Rhea, you wanna add something, Sylvia? Bubulong ka sa akin sa likod.
Yeah, and sana po, itong moving to, tama si Ate Cez at si Tita Nova na sana ito yung isa sa maging daan ng pamilya na kung magulo, maging maayos. And para din to sa mga anak na naging mabuting anak at naging pasaway na anak. Pareho to dito. Yun yung makukuha mo ditong lesson. So,